Lord, guide me in 2026. Direct me in 2026. Lead me in 2026. Order my steps in 2026. Don't let me make mistakes in 2026. Don't let me miss my way in 2026. Don't let me take wrong turns in 2026. Don't let me make wrong decisions in 2026. Pray with desperation. Lord, speak to me clearly in 2026. Let me hear your voice distinctly in 2026. Let me know your will specifically in 2026. Give me wisdom for every decision in 2026. Give me discernment for every choice in 2026. Give me clarity for every crossroad in 2026. Now decree this. I decree that I will not miss God's plan in 2026. I will not miss God's timing in 2026. I will not miss God's purpose in 2026. I decree divine connections in 2026. God will connect me with the right people in 2026.